Hey guys, we're doing the team draw for the 4-box prizm break. It's 4:32, 5th to 16 PM Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants. We're going 4 times. Nice and quick. How I like it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yoink. There. Team draw now. 4. Nice. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yoink. Random is complete. Team draw is Neb with Wolves, Carlos Cavs, Michael Paul Blazers, Lane Nuggets, Lanyon Mavericks, Nick Powell Bulls, Lane Hornets, Quartermain Lakers, Van Houten Suns, Bowman Rockets, Glenn Jackson Magic, Van Houten Nets, Dudley Pistons, Van Houten Sixers, Van Sanderson Warriors, Van Houten Clippers, Lanyon Raptors, Adamami Spurs, Van Houten Pelicans, Adamami Thunder, Van Houten Grizz, Lanyon Wizards, Van Sanderson, Pacers, Van Houten Bucks, Tamplin Jr. Heat, Bowman Celtics, Nick Powell Kings, Sean Thong with the Hawks, Carlos with Knicks, and the Jazz is Bowman. And that's it.